Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the chapter 2, that is mosquito menace. So here you can see two words, mosquito and menace. So what is the meaning of menace here? Menace a person or thing that is likely to cause harm, a threat or danger. So menace is something which create problem for us, and the here mosquito is written, so there must be mosquito which is causing menace in this whole chapter. Here you can see in this picture a boy is sitting in front of a man and he is showing the swollen spots in his body to his uncle. So let's go to the chapter and find out what it is all about. Amit had his summer holidays. So the name of the boy is Amit. So he had his summer holiday. He went to his grandpa's village during his vacation. So during his vacation, Amit went to the grandpa's village. He went to the village. So what is the meaning of vacation? Vacation here means holidays in school. So we got holidays in our school, and all the holidays are called vacations. It rained heavily there, and when he woke one morning, there were many red swollen spots on his face and hands. So here we can find out that rain is the reason why Amit has got those swollen spots, and the rain must be the reason why they are facing all troubles. So where do mosquito grow? It grows in stagnant water, or still water, mud pots, gutters. You can find mosquitoes all over there. There was a little itching too. So what is the meaning of itching? Itching is a sensation of irritation. Whenever we find whenever we get itching sensation, we rub the area to remove it. And here you can see in the previous sentence the swollen spots on his face and hands. So what is the meaning of swollen? Swollen is a past participles of the word swell, that means become large or rounder in size. Whenever something swells, it get large or rounder in size. His uncle had also come with his family. He was a doctor. He went to his uncle and showed him his red spots. So Amit went to his doctor uncle and showed him the red spots in his body. So from here you can see all the chapter is in conversation mode. So you can learn from this conversation and try to copy it in your day-to-day conversation, day-to-day life. Uncle, what happened, Amit? Why are you scratching your arms? So Amit was scratching his arms. Whenever you get itching sensation, what we do is we scratch our arms or whatever the body parts we got itching. Uncle, what happened, Amit? Why are you scratching your arms? The uncle is asking why Amit is scratching his arms. Scratching means rubbing forcefully. Amit, look Chachu, what has happened? I think I'm very sick. So Amit was living in town and he has come for a vacation in village. So he must have got the feeling of this itching for the first time. So he's telling his uncle that he is very sick. He's thinking he is very sick because he has never came across the feeling of getting got bitten by a mosquito. Uncle laughs. Don't worry, dear. You are not sick. These are mosquito bites. So uncle is saying that these are mosquito bites and you don't have to worry about that. These are nothing. You are not sick. Amit, mosquito bites? So he is giving a surprise expression that what is mosquito bites? Why I am getting mosquito bites? Uncle, yes Amit. During the rainy season, these tiny terror mosquitoes breed. This leads to night spent tossing and turning and swatting the insect. So here we got two words in red color, terror and swatting. Let's find out the meaning of these two words. Terror means fright, means extreme fear. Whenever we feel extreme fear, that is called terror. And here comes the second word related to terror, that is terrorist, which is very common. And terrorist is someone, we call someone terrorist, a person who use unlawful things or who use violence to do his work or his political agendas. And swatting, what is the meaning of swatting? Crush with a hard blow. Whenever we crush something with hard blow, that is called swatting. So whenever we find mosquitoes, if we find mosquitoes in our hand, we swat the mosquitoes to make it dead. So uncle is saying, yes Amit, during the rainy season these tiny terror mosquitoes breed. This leads to night spent tossing and turning and swatting this insect. Whenever we find the mosquitoes in our net, what we do, we toss and turn the whole night and try to swat the mosquitoes so that we live peacefully. That is what uncle is explaining to Amit. Amit, you are right. I could not sleep peacefully the whole night. But why were they after me the whole night? Why did they get from me? What did they get from me? So Amit is asking, what did they get from me and why they come after me the whole night? The whole night the Amit could not sleep. Uncle, mosquitoes bite us not to give us these patches. They actually feed on our blood. So what uncle is saying, that mosquitoes are not after us because of this patches. They do not try to give us these patches, but they actually feed on our blood. That means mosquitoes suck our blood. Our blood is their food. Amit, our blood? But why? So Amit is asking why they want our blood. Uncle, why do you eat vegetables and chapatis? So uncle is asking why you use vegetables and chapatis. Amit, oh, our blood is their food. Silly creatures. They can eat fruits and flowers. Why my blood? So Amit is saying that these are silly creatures. They can eat fruits and flowers, but they suck my blood. That is why they are so foolish. Uncle, Amit, they look for an acid in our blood. This acid helps the female mosquitoes to lay eggs too. So, besides our blood as their food, they look for an acid in our blood that helps female mosquitoes to lay eggs. Amit, so the female mosquitoes bite us. So Amit is asking that, does female mosquito bite us? Uncle, yes, often. They send in their sharp needle-like tubular mouthpiece in our blood and guzzle the blood. So what is the meaning of tubular? Tubular is like a tube. This pencil is like a tube. If this pencil is hollow, then you can use it as a tube. It become tubular. So all the words written in with red color, you can find the word meaning after the chapter. Here you can see this purple box. You can find all the word meaning of the red colored words. Yes, often they send in their sharp needle-like tubular mouthpiece in our blood and guzzle the blood. So this is the strange word guzzle. Guzzle means eat or drink greedily. Whenever we get hungry, what do? We guzzle the food. We try to eat it as fast as possible. Amit, that is why we feel the irritation. So Amit is asking, that is why we feel the irritation. So Amit is asking, that is why we feel the irritation. So Amit is asking, this is because we feel the irritation because the female mosquito use its tubular mouthpiece to guzzle our blood. Uncle, not exactly. Actually, when a female mosquito bites us, it also injects us with her saliva. This saliva of a female mosquito causes irritation. So, uh, uncle is explaining the meaning why we feel irritation in our body whenever we got bitten by a mosquito. He is saying that during the whenever mosquito guzzle our blood, what do? The mosquito injects us with her saliva. Mosquito injects us with her saliva. That means all the female mosquito use tubular mouthpiece to inject the saliva. Amit, uncle, mother says that the malaria is caused due to mosquitoes. I couldn't understand. What Amit is asking, that his mother says all the malaria is caused by the mosquitoes. Uncle, the female mosquitoes of some types have disease causing microorganisms in their saliva. So what do female mosquitoes have? Microorganisms. What is the meaning of microorganisms? Organisms which cannot be seen with naked eyes, very small living things. So in the science we have already seen the meaning of organisms, that is, an organism is an animal or plant, especially one that is so small that you cannot see it without using a microscope. Organism is a thing you cannot see with your naked eyes, directly with your eyes, but you should have to use a microscope to see it. So in saliva they inject these microorganisms. So these microorganisms carry bacteria of different types. They inject these microorganisms in our blood with saliva. These microorganisms cause malaria, dengue and yellow fever. So what do? They cause malaria, dengue and yellow fever. So these fevers are caused by the microorganisms which carry bacteria, and they put it in our blood through their saliva. So here you can see the different kinds of diseases talked about, and here dengue. You can see the spelling of dengue, which is totally different from its pronunciation. So you should focus on this. Amit, do male mosquitoes also harm us? So Amit is asking. We are completely talking about the female mosquitoes in this part, in this section. So Amit is curious about the male mosquitoes too. So he is asking, do male mosquitoes also harm us? Uncle, to a large extent the male mosquitoes do not harm us because they suck nectar from the flowers. So male mosquitoes, how do they get their food? They suck nectar from the flowers. So they do not suck our blood, they suck the nectar from the flowers. They do not have the mouthpiece like that of a female mosquitoes. So male mosquitoes do not have tubular shape like mouthpiece which suck the blood. Amit, so mosquitoes also bite plants? Uncle, not only plants, they also bite the birds. So mosquitoes leave no one. They bite all living creatures like plants, birds, animals, we, humans. Amit, are all the mosquitoes same, uncle? So Amit is asking, are all the mosquitoes same? Don't they have different varieties? Uncle, no, there are about 2000 different types of mosquitoes. They are found all over the world. So the uncle is saying there are 2000 types of mosquitoes all over the world. They have 2000 types. That is a lot. Amit, it means there is no escape from these mosquitoes. So Amit is saying there are already 2000 in types, so we cannot escape from the mosquitoes. They come find us. Uncle laughs. Unfortunately, yes. The uncle is laughing and saying, unfortunately, we cannot escape the mosquito bites because they are having 2000 types all over the world, and they will definitely follow us wherever we go. So So what is the meaning of unfortunately? Unluckily. So uncle is saying unluckily yes, unfortunately yes. So this word is very beautiful. You can use it in your day-to-day language. And there is opposite of this word, fortunately. Whenever something lucky happened to you, you can use fortunately this happened to me today, or unfortunately I have done that. So use this words. Amit. But I pray there are more male mosquitoes than the female mosquitoes. So Amit is praying that there should be more male mosquitoes, because female mosquitoes only bite us. So Amit is praying that there must be more male mosquitoes, so we save ourselves. Uncle laughs even louder. That's really true. At last, these insects will be less harmful. The uncle is laughing and saying, yes, you are right, Amit. We should have more male mosquitoes, so that we do not get swollen spots in our body. Amit. But what should I do now? So Amit is worried about his swollen spots, and he is asking his uncle, what should he do now? Uncle, don't do anything, they'll get cured on their own. So uncle is saying that you don't have to worry about anything, they will get cured on their own. So these are the chapters. Chapter 2, mosquito menace. So you can go through the whole chapter again as much as you want and deal with the exercises. If you need any help, you can comment and I'll get the solution for you. Thank you, friends.